I have some lawnmower blades that need sharpening, and I really need a bench grinder. I don't have one, so I'm going to turn my angle grinder into a bench grinder. Stay with me. So I got here 3-inch angle grinder. So I got my angle grinder here, and I've got a piece of angle iron. Pretty handy. Now it's a piece that was left over from a trailer repair we did a couple of years ago. I hate throwing out steel. So I'm looking at my grinder, simple Ryobi grinder, but they're all basically the same. They come with a handle, and the handle here on this one you can mount in 3 different locations. So if you're left-handed, right-handed, sometimes you want to center. And I'm going to use these threaded holes that are normally for the handle to fasten it to this piece of angle iron. My objective is to go this way. This way I got my trigger here. I'll have it fastened there, and I'm going to also put a screw in here. Now in doing that, I noticed that this is just a bit big, so I'm going to notch out about 1/4 inch out of this. So, like so, and I'm just going to put a mark here, and I want it to carry it back beyond the guard. No problem. Everything's easy when you know how, eh? So, let's clamp that and we'll cut it. Whenever you're doing cutting, drilling, or anything like that, it's rigidity that matters. And that's why I want to make a bench grinder. Because it's a lot easier to maneuver the piece that you're working with if it's smaller than it is to maneuver the heavy grinder. So with that done, I can actually set that flush. I want to keep this pretty much flat. Now because that is on an angle, my grinder is going to be sitting a little bit like that. And I'm okay with that. All I really want to do is make it so that I can clamp this steel down onto any table and keep the grinder rigid. So I'm going to start. Because I can see where this hole is going to belong, I can actually mark it and drill a hole through it and bolt it to there, and then I can locate this one. Always find the easiest hole to locate first. Yep, and that's what I'm going to do. So, I'm going to mark it there. I'm just going to eyeball it here. I'm going to find a drill bit that is slightly larger. I want the hole to be small as it can be. So that's good. So I'm going to go over here to my drill press and do that. This is with the drill press in this case, right? I'm going to clamp that down. It's not perfect, but I can still manage it here. Okay, just like that. So now I can actually screw this one in. And then I can try and locate this hole. I can see it's here. And I'm going to look down here and locate it about there. I'll give that a whirl first. So if I put the side one in first, and then we'll see if we can line this hole up. And we can. So let's thread that in. Seemed to work out pretty good. That, and then tighten up this one again. Tighten that up as tight as we can. Ugh. So now we have a grinder here now, that I can mount this way, and it still gives me some flexibility with my guard. I can turn my guard, do my cuts in any way that I can, or my grinding, and then tighten this up. And I can clamp it that way too. And there you have it. Now you got yourself a bench grinder. Done. 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 So if this is the kind of stuff that you like doing, messing around, making useful tools and all this kind of stuff, then please like the video, subscribe, and join the movement to fix everything. Because at Odd Jobs, we want to fix everything.